First, open Veo AI through the supported Google AI video generation interface. To create product commercials, start by choosing the product you want to showcase. Before generating the video, identify the product's most important features and decide what you want customers to notice first. Now plan your commercial as a sequence of short scenes. Start with a strong product shot, then show the product from different angles, demonstrate how it works, highlight its key features, and finish with a clear promotional message or call to action. Next, create a detailed prompt for each scene. Describe the product, background, lighting, camera angle, camera movement, colors, materials, reflections, and overall commercial style. For example, you could describe a premium smartwatch placed on a modern reflective surface, surrounded by subtle studio lighting, with a slow cinematic camera movement, realistic materials, detailed reflections, and a luxury advertising aesthetic. Generate the first scene and carefully inspect the result. Make sure the product's shape, color, proportions, buttons, screen, and other important details look correct. If the product changes between scenes, try using a consistent reference image or image-based workflow when available. Next, generate additional scenes showing different angles or use cases.